Hello and welcome. My name is Teal. Thank you for joining me. Today is going to be the very first of a series that I want to start. We're going to do 2-Minute Tuesdays, and with these videos they're going to be short and sweet, and I just want to answer your questions. I asked on Instagram for you guys to send me all of your questions. I did get some really good ones, so this is going to be fun. So each of these videos I am going to try to keep very, very short, hence 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm definitely going to try to answer at least one question every week for a 2-Minute Tuesday video, but if it's a short answer, I can definitely try and answer two. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, or you can leave it in the comments here. And I want really good questions that you have about photography, gear, photography business, whatever questions you have. Send them my way, and maybe I will choose your question for a 2-Minute Tuesday video. All right, we are going to get to our first question, but before we get started, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, and at the end of the video or now, you can give it a thumbs up, especially if you leave a question. If you leave a question, you have to subscribe so you can see your answer. Okay, moving on. Okay, so the first question we are going to do for our very first 2-Minute Tuesday is going to be a question that I got on Instagram. And the question is, hi, I noticed you do a lot of backlit photos, and I'm just wondering if you have any tips you can share about that. I always tend to miss focus, or I can't focus at all when I'm shooting into the sun. I love this question. So I have one tip. It's probably not even a secret. I don't think I'm the only one that does it, but I tend to cover the sun when I'm shooting. So it sounds weird, and people will tell you that you can just use a lens hood for this, but if you are shooting into the sun, a lens hood is not going to do anything. So I actually have to completely block the sun in the photo, whether it's this way or whether it's this way. I have to block the sun, and then I'll focus on what I'm trying to focus on, and then I'll move my hand and take the picture. So you see me doing this a lot. Focus, shoot, focus, shoot, focus, shoot, focus, shoot. So I look like I'm dancing when I'm taking pictures, but that is the one thing that nails focus every single time, because you're blocking what's making your lens freak out. It's making everything go crazy. If you can't see, like if you're looking at the sun, you can't see either. So it's super helpful to block the sun with your hand and then take the photos. I actually just was doing it last night, and it was funny. While I was doing it, I was thinking about this question that I had gotten the other day. So I do have a video clip of me doing it, so I'll play that now. See, so it looks a little silly, but it also nails the focus every single time. I guess one more tip, it's not necessarily about shooting into the sun, but when you're shooting into the sun, things kind of tend to get a little hazy or like washed out looking. So I do tend to underexpose. Like I'll choose underexposing just a hair to just kind of save some of that data, I guess. It's definitely easier for your camera to probably overexpose in that moment because there is so much light coming into your camera, but I have never really had a problem with being underexposed. It'll look a little hazy, it'll look a little, washed out anyways when you underexpose a little bit, but the data will be there for you to kind of bring it back a little bit. I think that was a great question, and I hope that I answered it for you. If you have any follow-up questions about it, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you have your own question, leave those in the comments. And again, don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up. It's great for the algorithm. All right, I will see you, I think tomorrow. I'm posting a video tomorrow also, but I will see you for another 2-Minute Tuesday on Tuesday. See ya.